Have you ever felt like you were dating someone way out of your league, only to find out they were more interested in your wallet than your personality? Now that's the thrill and peril of navigating SBA loans. Welcome to ECMP Studios. I'm your host, Amit Grover, and today we're kicking off our series on the ultimate investor's guide to SBA loans for commercial ventures. First up, we're going to unpack the anatomy and eligibility of SBA loans. Now imagine walking into a bank, cool and confident, knowing exactly how you're going to charm the loan officer. That's what understanding SBA loans can do for you in commercial real estate game. These loans are designed to minimize risk and maximize opportunity, essentially making you the most attractive borrower at the financial dance. The SBA isn't just playing Cupid by matching you with the money. They're setting you up on the best kind of blind date, where you already know you're getting a great deal. These loans typically offer lower down payments, longer repayment terms, and are backed by the government. So let's flirt with the details. Now, not everyone can catch the SBA's eye. You need to be a small business as defined by SBA standards, operate for profit, have responsible invested equity, and use alternative financial resources, including personal assets, before seeking any financial assistance. Now, from 7A loans, ideal for basic loans, to 504 loans, which are perfect for real estate and equipment. Choosing the right one can be like finding a soulmate for your business needs. Think of your loan application like a dating profile. You want to show you're financially attractive, responsible, and ready for long-term commitment. Now here's how. Your financial statements are like sharing your life story. They tell lenders whether you're a safe bet. Your business plan is laying out your future together. Make it compelling, clear, and strategic. Using an SBA loan isn't just about getting funds. It's about building a foundation. For investors, this means leveraging government-backed securities to take on projects that might otherwise be out of your reach. Now, whether you're developing a new property or rehabilitating an old charm, SBA loans can be the financial partnership you need to succeed. If you found today's insights helpful, you definitely want to catch our next episode where we will compare the 7A and 504 loans to help you decide which is the love of your business life. Remember, investing in knowledge pays the best interest. So hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for ECMP Studios to stay updated. Have any experiences or questions about SBA loans? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay